More storms moving through North Florida, bringing 70 mph wind gusts. See Tallahassee radar. Tallahassee Democrat. Wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour have been recorded this morning as strong storms move through the area. Below are your comments. I would comment, but I'm not sure which words to describe this are allowed by the DeSantis regime. Not to worry, as the Republican in the state are busy taking all reference to climate change out of IR laws, so weather will not be a problem going forward. What more on the beginning of our summer rains? Those winds will be stirring up some of the most polluted waters in the state. I don't think I will be importing any seafood from the flaccid state anytime soon. Nothing good about that state. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.